How to make HTML, CSS, and JavaScript code unreadable. Making your HTML, CSS, and JavaScript code unreadable is called obfuscation. This process helps protect your intellectual property by converting your original code into a version that works the same, but is hard to understand. It's like writing in code language for machines instead of humans. Obfuscation is not security by itself, but it helps discourage theft or casual copying. Tools are available online that allow you to paste your code and get an obfuscated version. For JavaScript, this can involve renaming variables, removing whitespace, and converting logic into unreadable formats. For HTML and CSS, minification helps, although it's not true obfuscation. This is useful for commercial projects or when publishing a game or a paid app. Remember, it won't stop advanced hackers, but it will stop most regular users from easily reusing your code. Always keep a readable backup. Use this method to maintain control and protect your creativity.